Namaskara friends. This is Santosh helping you to learn Kannada in simple ways. Today we will learn about a word which will be very useful with respect to locations or places. Where? Elli. Elli. We can also use where to. So in case of where to, we have to use ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. Let's see couple of examples using this word. Where is your house? ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Where to go for lunch? Where to go for lunch? ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? Follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel Fast Track Kannada to keep learning Kannada. Thank you. Bye bye.